Hi there, and welcome to this flip through of my Blue Butterfly junk journal. The butterfly pages themselves, these papers here are from a set called Blue Butterflies by G. Kerr. And should you be interested in following her or purchasing these yourself, go to Happiness in Crafting on Etsy or on Facebook. She's on Facebook too, and you can purchase them from there. They're really not expensive, these papers, and they are absolutely beautiful. So, what have I got? How did I start, and where do we go? Fairly characteristic for me, I have these long strands of beads and sari silk and ribbons and laces with these really pretty beads, and they're quite heavy, so they don't just sort of fly away. And there's some charms as well. That one says love, and they're really lovely, quite weighty, and they feel nice, feel like quality. So this is the front, and it does say what it is, just in case you were unsure. Journal, and I've got two little journaling tags in there. I think it's quite a nice idea sometimes when you're starting a journal, if you just make a note of what date you started it, where you were, were you on holiday, were you at home, is it lambing time, whatever, just make a little note of when you started it, and then in years to come you'll be able to look back and go, ah yes, that was 2020. So they just pop into that little pocket made of lace with the journal on, and it's held together by two little bulldog clips with some sari silk tied in a bow. You can either undo the bow, or you can just clip off the little bulldog clip. And let's go into the journal and see what we've got. Well, on the back of the front page, we've just got a fairly plain page, but it does show off that beautiful butterfly. It's such a pretty colour. It's hard to work out whether it's lilac or blue, really. It's somewhere in between. It's very pretty. It's not often you see junk journal papers in this colour. They're usually pink. There's a surfeit of pink. And I've just made just a little journaling book in there. Keep your notes in, and it just tucks inside there. So that's that. So this brings us onto this page. Now, the last journal that I did was so full that it was really quite difficult to write in it. So I've overcome that problem, or I hope I've overcome that problem this time, by using ring binders. And in order to use each page, you can just unclip the ring binders and take your page out. So let's do that. So on this page, if you like, it's a pocket, and I've got a pocket down the front with lace on, some little snippet paper clips with just two tiny little journaling tags in here. But it's enough that you could write someone's phone number down on, or telephone number, I've just said that, sorry, email address, whatever, just something, pop it back in there and you've got a hold of it. Behind there is a pocket with two books in, paper in for you to write, two of those in there. Then at the very back in the middle of the pocket, there's this, it's just a journaling card, pretty little journaling card that you can write on. And it just goes back right into the middle there. Open up, yeah, into there. And the pearls on the top stop it disappearing all the way, and also makes it look pretty. And then on the back, we've got a nice big pocket that you can put bits of paper, receipts, anything at all that you like, and another tag. It's a pretty tag with lace, etc., and journaling space for you to write things on the back. So that's page one. Now this one it's kind of my favourite, I think, really. it's this, but I mean, look, you can see how it's glaring in that light. Actually, let me move it. It's not quite that glary. It is glittery though. Look at that. It's really beautiful. And this opens up. These open up with these two ribbons, each side, one ribbon each side, and then it opens up like that. And you've got a book here, a journaling book with writing paper in, and then this little pretty belly band that I've embellished, and it's just got two journaling cards in, but they're pretty again with the butterfly on. And it just fastens up and ties in a bow on each side. It's funny when you're doing a video how you can never ever ever tie a bow. It's like you've never been taught how to tie a bow. So yeah, that's a pretty page, really super pretty. And it shows off that blue butterfly paper to its absolute best, I think. And then on the back we've just got some plain journaling space. It is nice and flat and you can journal on that with no problem at all. And the next one is this one. It says butterfly wings. The paper comes with that on it. It says butterfly wings. And I've put another little glittery butterfly down there, a bit of bling down this side. And this is just one of those paper clips again that's got the snippets on it. So we'll undo that and open it up. Another paper clip here, that comes off and that opens up. So we've got journaling space here, a little decoupage flower there, a really useful book here with lots of journaling in there. It really is a good journal, this, to actually journal in, and it's still got lots of prettiness to look at. Pretty little lace, another little butterfly there, a bit of journaling down here, and then this opens up here for journaling as well. So we're not short of the odd bit of journaling on this. So that just folds over back on itself so you can see the prettiness when you open it up. And it's got a snippet paper clip that just holds it in place there, and then that comes, and it's got a snippet paper clip that holds it all together at the top. And on the back, it's a little bit of journaling space, but some pretty snippets there that we've used throughout the journal, so plenty space. And this one, this is a little fold over. It folds over the top, and on the back it's got another snippet paper clip which enables us to tuck things into there, so it becomes a tuck spot, which is quite clever. So if I remove, well, I'll show you the front side first. The front is this. It's got a lovely little glittery butterfly there, another little journaling book in there, and we take that snippety paper clip off. This comes off completely, and we've just got some journaling cards. Nice one there for an email address or a website or whatever. Nice pearls and lace. Plenty lace and pearls in this. If you're not into lace and pearls, this isn't for you. I just love it. I love prettiness. And on the back here we've got more lace and pearls and another pocket where we've got 4 journaling cards in there, just made up with space on the back for you to add whatever you want to. So that goes over the front like that, and it gets its the snippet faces the back on this one. So that's that. Oh yeah, that was my tag that goes up into that tuck spot. It's quite tight when it is in there. This page here, fairly straightforward journaling page. Beautiful decoupage there and a lovely little glitter butterfly, ribbon and pearls, some butterfly. Making the best use of this butterfly paper with some journaling inside. I've done it on tea stained paper, but still the same print. So you'll be able to write over it and see quite clearly what you've written. But it's pretty, it's just pretty to use. So that lives in there. And then on the back, just a lovely piece of decoupage. I just came across this in my supply. I have quite a large supply of decoupage napkins, and I thought I've just got to use that. It's just so perfect. And I'd kept it and kept it and kept it because it was so pretty. But I've had to succumb to using it because it's just perfect for this journal. So you see how handy it is that they come out. You know, they come out, and you can, mind you, a lot of the books come out, the little booklets come out anyway. But this way you can, you know, if you just want to take one in your handbag to town shopping and you've got notes on it or whatever, just pick it out, take it, pop it in your bag, and away you go. This has got lovely lace on it. I love this lace. I hand dyed this lace myself. And it's got 2 tags decorated, of course, pearls and lace, backed with some journaling paper so you can make your little notes on that. There's this needs to go get tucked back in there. Being awkward. And there's 2 larger tags at the back, nicely decorated. There's not much in here that isn't decorated. I've really gone to town with this one. It's just so pretty. The papers were so pretty that just inspired me to do it. I think you're going to need a little bit of glue on. So this has got the lace on the front. This is velvet, purple velvet with pearls. And as I say, we've got the 4 tags. And then on the back, little dingly dangly with some ribbon and some beads. A pocket with some lace on and a bit of writing paper. So you can actually write a letter if you want to. That just fits in there. And there's this one. It's got little dingly dangly hanging off the lace. It's really pretty. Little beads on it. A little flower that I've handmade. And this is just a sort of oversized tag, really. It closes with that ribbon closure. It opens up. It's a pocket, and inside there's another little tag with some decoupage on and some journaling space. Closes up again. This lovely satin ribbon. I don't normally have this problem with gold. They're just being plumb awkward tonight. So there we are, that's that. And on the back, some decoupage and journaling space. So you'll agree that there's lots of journaling space in here, and I'll just close this up. They open and close very easily. So she's struggling with it. They do open and close very easily. And this is the back page. It's the inside back is the same as the inside front. It's got a little book in a little pocket there. The bulldog clip that's holding the sari silk as a closure. It's got ribbon all the way around it. And the back is really plain, so it'll lie flat. But it has got this lovely ribbon, lace, should I say, all the way around it. And that's that. It closes up again. Just open your bulldog clip, and that's it. So it's pretty, isn't it? It's a real pretty one. And, you know, thanks again to G for making those papers. It really inspired me to be ultra pretty. If you're interested in this to purchase, it will be in my Etsy shop, which there will be a link. Obviously, this probably will be the link. If you want to subscribe to me on YouTube, I'm there as Miss Paintalot, and I do a lot of junk journaling stuff. So at the moment we're making an Edith Holden one. So watch me make that over on my YouTube channel, Miss Paintalot. My Etsy shop is Miss Paintalot. My Facebook page is Miss Paintalot. So, if you can remember Miss Paintalot, you'll find me. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I really, really enjoyed making it. It's so pretty. Thank you very much for watching. As I say, if you want to purchase it, it'll be for sale on my Etsy shop. And I shall see you again very soon when I'll be either making parts of a junk journal or it'll be another flip through of a finished one. Thanks very much. Bye.